Haus reviews app: the pros, the cons. If you're interested in earning extra money online through surveys, tasks, or offers, Haus might sound promising. Most people get this wrong by assuming it guarantees high payouts, but the surprising truth is that earnings depend heavily on task availability and completion speed, so results vary. Pros users like that the app offers multiple ways to earn, including surveys, app downloads, and referrals. The interface is user-friendly, and you can track your earnings and cash out via PayPal or gift cards, which makes it convenient. Some users also appreciate daily bonuses and task reminders, which help maximize earnings. The cons: a common complaint is that not all tasks are available in every region, and some may be completed quickly, but pay very little. Others report delays in payment processing, especially for first-time withdrawals. In short, the pros are varied earning methods, easy tracking, and flexible cash-outs, while the cons are regional limitations and occasional payout delays. The takeaway: Haus Reviews app is worth trying if you want a side income, but manage expectations about earnings. If this review helped, like and subscribe for more money-making app insights.